PancakeSwap is quickly becoming a game changer in the crypto world, having been launched in September 2020 by anonymous developers who appear to have a passion for breakfast foods. Hi, this is Fiat Bear. Before moving ahead, share and like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay connected. So let's get started on our topic. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange that uses the Binance Smart Chain, the BSC, blockchain to work. Compared to its competitor Ethereum blockchain, Binance Smart Chain is a fourth-generation blockchain capable of faster and cheaper transactions. PancakeSwap uses the automated marketing making, the AMM model. AMM is a protocol for pricing assets that is based on a mathematical equation. It doesn't use an order book. Instead, the price of the assets is determined by a pricing algorithm. PancakeSwap allows users to trade BEP20 tokens. BEP20 tokens are Binance Smart Chain's native tokens. PancakeSwap has received a lot of positive feedback from its users since its launch. With PancakeSwap, Binance has become one of the most prominent competitors of the Ethereum blockchain. Undoubtedly, PancakeSwap is currently one of the largest decentralized exchanges in trading volume. So it's no wonder that PancakeSwap may one day outshine their parent exchange Binance when more trading volumes build up. So how does PancakeSwap exchange work? I've already told you that PancakeSwap trade works on the automated market-making model and not on the order book method. This is because there shouldn't be a potential seller and buyer whose values match for a trade in the order book method. But in the automated market-making model, the algorithm does not work without an order book. Some predefined algorithms do the complete work in the automated market-making model. The trade starts here, according to the logic and conditions defined by the price algorithms. Then the trades take place when certain predetermined conditions are met. As a result, we can say that automated market making creates markets automatically, hence the name. The trades in PancakeSwap actually happen in liquidity pools. The pricing algorithms control the transactions in the liquidity pools, and therefore we can say that PancakeSwap follows the automated market making model. So what are liquidity pools? The liquidity pools hold funds from users. Users use liquidity provider LP tokens by depositing funds into the liquidity pool. These tokens allow users to reclaim their share of the liquidity pool, as well as a share of trading costs when they withdraw their deposited assets. You can trade BEP20 tokens, add liquidity into liquidity pools, and even earn rewards for your transactions using PancakeSwap. It's fantastic! There must be at least one cryptocurrency in your wallet. As per your choice, you may buy BTC offered by Bitcoin, ETH from Ethereum, USDT provided by Tether, or BNB from Binance. Let us use BNB from the Binance platform as an example in this video. 1. Create a free account and register on the Binance platform if you are a first-time user. 2. After completing the platform's registration process, you must choose a payment method. You can use a bank transfer or provide your credit or debit card information. After you've chosen a payment option, you can buy whatever cryptocurrency you want. 3. Go to www.pancakeswap.finance and fill out the form. You must unlock your wallet to use all of the features. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance Chain Wallet, and more are among the wallet options available. Even though MetaMask is an Ethereum wallet, it is better to use since BSC-based dApps and MetaMask wallets work nicely together. You must now connect your MetaMask to your Binance account. Number 4. Fill your MetaMask wallet with cryptocurrency. Using the BSC transfer network, you can withdraw crypto assets from your Binance account and deposit them in your MetaMask wallet. Assume you've set up an account and registered with the Binance Smart Chain, purchased BNB, accessed PancakeSwap, connected your MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain, and added BNB to your wallet. You're now ready to take on the world of PancakeSwap. Before we get into the details of PancakeSwap's various interesting money-making features, it's important to understand the Cake tokens, which serve as the foundation of the PancakeSwap ecosystem. Cake tokens. Cake is the delightful token that powers the PancakeSwap ecosystem. On the PancakeSwap platform, you can earn Cake, win Cake, and even purchase Cake. What are some of the ways that cake tokens can be used on the PancakeSwap platform? You can earn more cake by staking cake tokens in yield farms. In the Pancake lottery, you can buy lottery tickets using cake tokens and win thrilling prizes. At the cost of some cake, you can establish your own Pancake profile and mint charming non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. If you have enough cake tokens, you will be able to vote on proposals relating to the PancakeSwap ecosystem. Now let's have a look at PancakeSwap's different exciting money-making features. What do you think so far? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Now back to our topic. PancakeSwap's features and products. Number 1. Token swapping. On PancakeSwap, token swapping is one of the simplest ways to earn many other tokens. For example, you can quickly exchange BEP20 tokens for another token through automated liquidity pools. Token swapping is a type of transaction on the PancakeSwap platform. For each transaction on the exchange, a trader who engages in the token swapping must pay a very tiny fee of roughly 0.2%. If any tokens listed on the exchange are accessible in the liquidity pool, you can get them using token swapping. Number 2. Liquidity Pools. One of the best features of the PancakeSwap platform is liquidity pools. You can either start your own liquidity pool or invest in one that already exists. The big attraction is earning trading commissions by supplying funds or liquidity to liquidity pools. Is it really that easy? Yes, it is. Become a liquidity provider by investing your tokens in liquidity pools. Become a liquidity provider by investing your tokens in liquidity pools. You will earn flip coins from liquidity pool when you invest your tokens. As long as their tokens are invested in the liquidity pool, you can receive trading fees from the pool. Doesn't that seem interesting? Number 3. Staking in syrup pools. On the PancakeSwap platforms, syrup pools are the easiest way to earn free tokens. Stake cake tokens on the table to earn more cake tokens. It's that easy. You can also stake other tokens instead of cake tokens in some pools. The two delicious flavors of syrup pools are auto cake and manual cake. Both of these pools are used to stake cake to earn more cake. Is there a difference between the two? Yes. The syrup tokens are automatically deposited in your wallet when you stake with manual cake. The syrup token is an IOU representing the amount of cake you've staked into the pool. The auto cake feature is truly a great addition. Stake your own cake and forget about it. The cake you stake gets automatically reinvested with a small fee. Additionally, each time the pool is automatically reinvested, a tiny performance fee is deduced from your earnings. Plus, the syrup token is not automatically placed into your wallet when you stake. Number 4. Yield farming. Yield farming involves depositing one set of tokens in farms to mint another set. By staking your liquidity pool tokens, you can earn cake. First, select a farm from your liquidity pool tokens under the Farms tab. Then you must confirm the transaction after you have approved the contract. After staking the required quantity of tokens, you can check the site to see how much cake you have made and win. Number 5. Lottery. Who doesn't want to win the jackpot in the cryptocurrency industry? So if you have a chance to play the lottery on PancakeSwap, how does it go? Yes, you heard that right. The PancakeSwap has a fun feature called Lottery, which allows you to use your cake tokens to win great prizes. Each session of the lottery lasts 12 hours and you have 1 hour to purchase tickets. One cake is the cost of one lottery ticket. There are 4 different number combinations on a ticket, ranging from 1 to 14. The jackpot prize is equal to 50% of the total lottery pool. If the digits on your ticket match the numbers chosen by the system in the exact same order, you win the jackpot. Even if all the numbers don't match, there's still hope. If 2 or more numbers on your ticket match the chosen numbers in the same order, you have a chance to win rewards. What will happen if nobody is chosen as a winner? In that situation, half of the prize will be rolled over to the next lottery session. So enter the next lottery and see what happens. Number 6. Prediction. PancakeSwap is jam-packed with fun and activities. The prediction market is another exciting PancakeSwap concept. PancakeSwap Prediction is a decentralized market with a lot of fun features. What are you expected to do here? What you have to do is very simple. Predict whether the BNB price will fall or rise after a live phase. Predict with your knowledge, research, or whatever. If your predictions are correct, you will win. Number 7. IFO, Initial Farm Offering. IFO is yet another great feature of PancakeSwap. In addition, Cake BNB LP tokens can be used to purchase fresh new tokens. Any IFO's main goal is to raise funding for a new project. The project receives the BNB when using Cake BNB tokens, while PancakeSwap burns the cake. You will receive brand new tokens with the power of yield farming if you want to participate in IFO. Number 8. NFT. Non-fungible tokens are non-fungible tokens. An NFT is a unique and non-transferable unit of data or digital asset held on a blockchain. NFTs can be used to represent any digital content, including audio, video, or photos. These unique digital assets can be traded and staked on the PancakeSwap platform. Traders on PancakeSwap have access to the expanding network of NFTs as a result. So guys, before you go, let's summarize today's episode. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange created on the Binance Smart Chain that has become one of the most popular DeFi protocols in the industry. It is not only cheap, but also a significantly faster alternative to Ethereum. Don't be scared, PancakeSwap interface is very easy to use. Even for beginners. Even if you have no prior experience with cryptocurrencies, you can quickly learn all of the essential trading features. Their fees are also quite reasonable. So what are you waiting for? Get started right away with PancakeSwap. What do you think about PancakeSwap? Do you still have any questions about it? Let us know in the comments section down below. Alright guys, we're wrapping up today's video and we hope you've learned a thing or two about the topic. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Fiat Bear. Have a great day. Bye!